welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we are cooking homemade gumbo. How do you make your gumbo, everybody? Do you start off making your own chicken stock? Well, this is what we did. It's very simple to make a chicken stock. We're going to start off with this first. Get you some drumsticks, rinse them off very clean, get them clean and thorough. Add your water in the pot to up to that height, right about here. Then you add your chicken pieces all up in here. Now, we're using big drumsticks because we wanted more meat into this gumbo, okay? We usually use wings, but grandson is in the hospital. Grandson-in-law is in the hospital. He's been suffering from a stroke for the past 119 days. So we're going to go ahead and make our quick version of gumbo, okay? So we're going to have the drumsticks boiling for almost up to an hour, making sure they're nice and tender. And then we're going to take these out and we're going to use the chicken stock for the base of the soup, okay? That's how we're going to do it. It's very simple how you do it. We add some seasoning, we add some lard, we add some garlic salt, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. And we also added some seasoning salt, which is the lard seasoning salt. And also some herb garlic seasoning. Mama Soul Kitchen garlic herb seasoning, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and do step number 2. We're going to make a roux. And with the onions and the bell peppers and saute all that together with the sausage and all that good old stuff, make the goody. Then we're going to add it into these pots here, everybody, and we're going to start the boiling and get the process together and let it come together, okay? And add more Cajun seasoning in that, okay? So stay tuned for part 2. All right, everybody. So here is our chicken that has been boiled for over 45 minutes, and we let it sit. It's important to let it sit, everybody, because of the fact that when it sits, all of the flavors, all you see here, goes into your chicken, everybody, okay? Now, what we did was when we poured all of that into one pot, we have all of this goody right here, everybody. This is some goody right here. This is what we want, okay? This is the flavor that we want. So I brought it up to a simmer here, and we're gonna go ahead and break all this up, okay? We're gonna break all this up in the skillet. You're gonna add some oil, not the skillet, but the pot, everybody. Sorry about that. We're gonna add some oil, and I say that's probably about half a cup of oil, okay? And this is the flavors that we're gonna bring up in this pot right here. We're gonna bring it back up to a medium boil. We're going to stir it around just a little bit, everybody. We're going to break up this flavor. This is what we're going to use for the base of our pot, everybody. The flavor, okay? This is what's important, okay? This is all so good. All right, so we're going to heat up that oil there. And when that oil is heated up, we're going to make a roux. Now, our roux is at home in Sacramento. But we decided to go ahead and make our own roux since we can't find the jar-based roux here. And it's so much easier. Just all you have to do is scoop it out the jar and then just put it in the pot, warm it up, and you're done. And then you can add the soup. It cuts out so much time. When you're making a roux, it takes a long time. It takes patience, everybody, okay? Now we're going to set that oil to the side. We're going to add some flour in there. In there a little bit at a time, everybody, okay? So it's about equal parts of oil and equal parts of flour. And we're going to go ahead and stir, okay? We're going to bring that on up here. Get all that goody, break it on up from the bottom. That's how we're going to do our roux, okay? Now we're going to add some more flour. This is how you also make gravy too, everybody. You make gravy like this as well. We're going to do a little bit at a time. See how it's thickening up already? This is beautiful. Now, we want our roux to be a nice dark brown color, everybody. Now, I have the fire on medium. I'm about to turn it down just a little bit, medium low, okay? Now, we're going to keep stirring it. You got to keep stirring because you don't want to burn, okay? We want it like a nice dark brown color. That's how we do the roux, okay? Now, this is a light roux. If you want a light roux, that's fine, too. But we're going to do a dark roux. Now, we want it to smell like, what's that smell like? Almond flavor, okay? Almond flavor. We start smelling nutty flavor from your flour and your oil. It should be just about ready. But it's not ready yet. But it is getting there. It's getting there. Oh yes, it's gonna be nice. So we're gonna go ahead and keep stirring. And keep stirring, everybody. You don't want it to burn. Now we're gonna add just a little bit more flour. Okay, just a little bit. Hold on. Gotta make sure. Not too much. You don't want to overpower the flour taste into your gumbo, everybody, okay? Now that's about it right there. We're gonna work this on in there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add our chopped vegetables in here. We're going to add our sausage as well and let it cook nicely, okay? Look at that. There we go. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Don't stop. This is also a process that we do when we make our roux for other dishes as well. This is very simple to do, okay? Don't be intimidated. If you have to start all over, you can. Okay? Don't be nervous. Don't be all that stuff. So this is looking kind of good. We're starting to get it that nice color. We want it to be a little bit darker than this. We're gonna keep on stirring. Keep on stirring. And we're going to come back and I'm going to show you what color it is. We're going to keep on stirring.
Now, you guys, make sure you guys follow us for a lot more because we're going to show you what happens within 2 minutes, how the roux ends up turning out. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on our YouTube channel for the full recipe. And also, we'd like to thank Aki Balboas for following us on our YouTube channel. Welcome to Granny's Yellow Table.